Merry Christmas, my friend. Merry Christmas. My friends at Vega sent me this nice canvas, Christmas canvas that I'm gonna open for you. It's so beautiful. And it comes ready with everything you need to hang it up. And this is going to live now. It's gonna be permanent over there. You see back there in my Christmas man cave that I have here the whole year, because at esta Navidad, Christmas is the whole year. Oh my God, this is so nice. So you see, it comes with the nice push pins that you can, with a little hammer or with a little hammer, you can push these into any drywall or even wood. Yep. And then let me show you this. This is so beautiful. So elegant and so beautiful, with the nice natural Christmas tree in the outside with the nice little gift. It reminds me of the Christmas tree in front of my house. We had a Christmas tree planted in front of my house, and then it was decorated, of course, in November, because where I'm from in Puerto Rico, our Christmases are very long. September you start hearing the music, and then November we really decorate, and it lasts all the way to the first week or second week of January. So this is going to be here permanent. It's made out of canvas, so it looks like a real painting. It's like it has a light semi-gloss look to it. And the details are amazing. They pop at you. You see that? It has bows, bells, the iconography that is known for Christmas. Now, of course, you can, put this up for Christmas, but actually, it's a nice wintry decoration. You could put it up, just keep it up through the winter, like I do. Actually, it stays the whole year. It's gonna stay the whole year. And I'm gonna show you how to put it up.